Formatting spreadsheets.
To further enhance your spreadsheet, you can format a number of elements such as text, numbers, cell styles, and table styles.
Wrap text. You can display multiple lines of text inside a cell using Wrap Text feature. Wrapping text in a cell does not affect other cells. Step 1. Click the cell in which you want to wrap the text. Step 2. Click on Wrap Text command from Alignment group under Home tab. The text in your cell will be wrapped. Formatting numbers. In Excel, the format of a cell is separate from the data that is stored in the cell.
This difference in the display can have a significant effect when the data is numeric.
Follow the below steps to format numbers. Step 1. Click the cell or cells which contains the numbers that you want to format. Step 2. Click the arrow next to the number format box in the number group under Home tab and then click the format that you want. Step 3. Click on More Number Formats option to see more details of number formats. Cell borders. By using predefined border styles, you can quickly add a border around cells or ranges of cells. If the listed cell borders do not meet your needs, you can create a custom border. Apply cell borders. Follow the below steps to apply cell border. Step 1.
In a worksheet, select the cell or range of cells that you want to add a border to, change the existing border style, or remove a border from.
Step 2. Go to the font group in the Home tab. Step 3. Click the arrow next to Borders command. Step 4. Click on the border style you would like.
The border will be applied to the selected cell or cell range.
Cell borders that you apply appear on printed pages. If you do not use cell borders but want worksheet grid line borders for all cells to be visible on printed pages, you can display the grid lines by checking the Grid Lines option from Show Group under View tab. Remove cell borders. Follow the below steps to remove cell border. Step 1. Go to the font group in the Home tab. Step 2. Click the arrow next to Borders command. Step 3. Select No Border option. Cell styles. You can use a cell style that includes a custom border, colors, and formatting. Step 1. Click on Cell Styles command from Styles group under Home tab. Step 2. Select the different cell style options you would like to apply to your spreadsheet. Filling color in a cell. Filling colors in a cell makes it look more attractive and presentable. To fill color in cells, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cells that you want to apply or remove a fill color from. Step 2. From the font group under Home tab, select one of the following options.
A. To fill cells with a solid color, click the arrow next to Fill Color command and then under Theme Colors or Standard Colors, click the color that you want. B. To fill cells with any other color of your choice, click the arrow next to Fill Color command, click More Colors, and then in the Colors dialog box, select the color that you want. C. To apply the most recently selected color, click Fill Color command.